In this video, I will show you how to use the Python library Pandas to extract the hyperlinks in an HTML document or website in addition to the content of the table. On the right side of the screen, you can see an HTML document with a table on it. This is not a website, as you can see at the very top, where I'm just accessing a local HTML document. This document you can actually see down below is called website.html in my directory. This table contains two hyperlinks within it. The first you can see is the ID column header, and the second is the city Austin. When I click on both of them, you can see I am directed to Google. I will be able to use the read HTML function to export these hyperlinks from the HTML document. Over here in Jupyter Labs, you can see that I am importing the read HTML function from Pandas to start out with. First, I would like to show you what happens when I do nothing but read in the HTML document that I have, passing no other arguments to the function. Printing out our data frame, we can see that this function returns a list. Our list has only one item in it, so I will be adding the square brackets and a 0 after my function call, so that I access the only item within my return statement. Let's open up the docstring for read HTML and navigate toward the bottom, where we find an argument called extract links. As explained here in the docstring, this argument does the following. Table elements in the specified sections with A tags will have their href extracted. Basically, hyperlinks will be pulled as well as the table content. The extract links argument accepts the following assignments: none, all, header, body, and footer. None is the default, so we would get the exact same output if we were to add extract links equals none. So let's go through all of these one at a time. Using all to start, when we execute, we can see we are returned with a table that has the hyperlink in ID and the hyperlink in Austin, both stating Google. Any instance in which a hyperlink was not found, Python will state none, as you can see in every other cell of the table. If you want only the hyperlinks of the column headers, you can pass header to extract links. Now in this output, you can see the hyperlink is there only for ID, and it is gone for Austin, and the rest of the table looks pretty standard. To collect only the hyperlinks in the table of data itself, simply pass body to the extract links argument. Now we can see the ID column header does not have the URL attached, but Austin does. Finally, the last option you could pass extract links is footer. I don't have a footer in my table, but you can still pass this as an argument. Executing it, you can see I have a regular looking data frame without any links showing up. So it's actually pretty straightforward. You simply pass the extract links argument and assign it all, header, body, or footer, depending upon what hyperlinks you would like to collect. Thank you for watching. Please let me know down below in the comments if this was an informative and helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, as that really does help others find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.